Have you ever wondered why cucumbers are so refreshing and perfect for your summer salads? Well, get ready to be amazed because today, we're going to uncover the incredible health benefits of this humble vegetable. Cucumbers are packed with hydration power. They contain about 96% water, making them an excellent choice to keep you hydrated during those scorching hot days. So, instead of reaching for a sugary drink, grab a cucumber and quench your thirst the healthy way. Not only are cucumbers hydrating, but they are also low in calories. In fact, a cup of sliced cucumbers only contains about 16 calories. So, if you're watching your weight or trying to shed a few pounds, cucumbers can be your best friend. But here's the real magic of cucumbers: they are chock full of vitamins and minerals. Cucumbers are an excellent source of vitamin K, which is important for healthy bones and blood clotting. They also provide us with vitamin C, which boosts our immune system, and vitamin A, which promotes good vision and healthy skin. Moreover, cucumbers are a great source of antioxidants. These powerful compounds help protect our cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals, reducing the risks of chronic diseases and aging. And here's a fun fact: cucumbers can freshen your breath. Yes, you heard it right. Chewing on cucumber slices for a few minutes can help eliminate bad breath bacteria, leaving you with a minty fresh mouth. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to grab a cucumber or two and start enjoying all these incredible health benefits. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos on the amazing benefits of natural foods.